just going to use my video camera because I keep losing service because of the lines that are all down out here. There's probably Verizon towers and such down. So I keep losing service. So I'm just going to use my video camera and then I'll try to download it when I get to an area where there's service. Coming up on some more of those great guys that are trying to restore power here in this area. But I tell you what, I talked to a lot of people at the office and they all live here in the area and they have really good positive attitudes and are thankful for their lives, thankful for a lot of their homes that they still have, and they're just waiting for their turn for their power to be back on. So that's a good thing. I told them, I said, I feel very ashamed. I was being so whiny about not having power for a few days, and here they are, 2 weeks, no power. Which, by the way, I still haven't had my popcorn. Goodness. I don't know if y'all just seen that stop sign that was laying over, like bent over back there, but when I was coming to therapy earlier, a car just ran the stop sign, and I was like, just because the stop sign is laying over doesn't mean you don't have to stop. But thank goodness I seen them, and thank goodness I wasn't a few seconds sooner, because they would have hit me. Oh well. Anyway, but it just goes to show, one town over from our state over from Ashford, I'm not, but 30 minutes if that from here, and devastation is a whole lot more than it was where I'm at, and I thought we got it bad, and to think that just a little bit further south from here it's even worse. They won't let you go down there and videotape like here right now. You see these trees? They're just like snapped in two. Well, those were cut. But they're just like they were twigs. Uprooted from the groundhog. And the thing I don't understand is, I was told there was no tornadoes. However, when I was talking to my friend at the office, she said what she was told was the eye of the storm was so formed and so close together that it was indeed a tornado. That's what it was a giant tornado that just came right on through, and that's why you see these trees that are just broken too, because it came through as a tornado. It wasn't just a hurricane. She said in Marianna they didn't get as much rain as like we did in Ashford. They got more winds and tornadoes, obviously, than they did rain. Anyway, just wanted to give y'all a heads up and a look at what our neighbors are going through. It's really a lot more compared to what we are going through or have been going through. It's, I know, humbled me. And I feel like my flying shed is nothing compared compared to what they went through. I know one thing's for sure. Next time they say, if there is a next time, they say we have a Cat 1. Look at these trees coming up to them. Next time they say we have a Cat 1 coming towards Panama City, this girl right here is going to go as far north as she possibly can, because I'm not sitting around to take a video of my shed flying, because look at those trees and they're all around a house. You tell me they don't have something to thank God about. All them trees broke in two all around their home, and their home still stands. They had angels watching over them.